Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert link in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily insert links on this software. Now if you are interested, you can watch a beginner's guide of how to use this software as well as other Google softwares such as Google Sheets, Google Docs, and many more on our YouTube channel, wherein we discuss the basic features and functions of those softwares as well as when to use it and its brief introduction. Now if you're also interested, we have separate tutorials for this software and other Google softwares that is compiled on the dedicated playlist for each of the software on our YouTube channel. Now before starting, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are on Mac or on Windows like me, is currently up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way if we do so. Now as you can see here in my Google Slides file, I have here a slide with a custom theme as well as a link down below. And if I click on this link, it will pop up this tab right over here, in which if we click, will redirect to our YouTube channel. Now if you are wondering on how you can easily add links like this, don't worry, I'll be teaching you how to. Now the first thing that you have to do is to open up your Google Slides and then insert a text box. If you don't know how to add a text box, there is already a pre-existing text box, but if you would like to add another text box, all you have to do is to press on this button right here and then click and drag on your canvas so you can add a text box. Once you have added your text box, click on that text box and then paste the link that you would like to add, which in my case is our YouTube channel. Now change the text formatting of your website, in which we already made a tutorial on how to do those, such as decreasing its font size, changing its font color, changing its font as well. And now as you can see, we already have the link of our website right over here at the subtitle below our header. Now as you can see right now, if I click on the link, it will not do anything because we have not inserted a link or a hyperlink on this youtube.com link yet. Now to add a link, all you have to do is to highlight the link that you have just pasted by clicking and dragging across, and then right clicking on that link and then pressing the link icon right over here, which is the fifth option from the bottom. Click on that one, and as you can see, it changes its color to a bit of a blue greenish color. And now as you can see, if I click on this link, it will give us this pop-up, in which if we click, will direct us to our website or our YouTube channel. Now you can also do this another method, in which you can use your keyboard by hitting or Command for Mac users and K, and as you can see, it does the similar thing. And as simple as that, we can quickly insert links on our Google Slides without any hassle. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.